See if it starts. So this is a 2002 Monte Carlo. I diagnosed it as having a bad BCM the other day. They got another BCM. I can't change any of the options in it, but it actually is the same part number. It has all the correct RPO codes in it. Of course, I can't reprogram the VIN or the mileage on it because it's locked. But the car still isn't starting. So it's either something else that's causing it not to start, in the ignition or something, or is the vehicle theft deterrent module. So I'm doing a relearn on the theft deterrent module, or reflashing it, or relearning it, whatever it's doing. But we're gonna see. You can see I've been kind of through this car. But we're gonna see. I checked powers and grounds on the BCM. I was getting a no comm to it, and I checked the class 2 LAN coming back to it, and I had signal there, so I assumed bad body control module. So this body control module is at least communicating and talking. So now we just need to see. When I do a new module setup, it tells me it's locked, and there is no flash. There's no SPS update for this module. So I think on these you can just leave the mileage and VIN number inaccurate, and it should still start the car. So we're gonna see if this vehicle theft deterrent relearn does anything, and if that doesn't, then I'm gonna break out the test light and see if we're getting a start signal out of this fuse on the side here, and see what's going on with it. Making me wait 10 minutes, and now it's got 1 minute remaining, so we'll see what happens here. This will be interesting just to see. I got me a new jump pack. I haven't got to use my jump pack yet. Reprogramming completed. Okay. Action complete, warranty claim code, blah, blah, blah. Proceed with same VIN. And we could proceed with this same VIN. And I don't see... I see the OnStar module, a powertrain, a vehicle control module, sensing and diagnostic module, and the vehicle theft deterrent, which is what I reflashed. There is a flash out there for the ECU, but I don't want to do that right now. Let's see if it starts. There we go. Should start right up. Sweet. All right, folks, so that was my first official diagnosis of a failed body control module. I've replaced a couple that I haven't diagnosed, and I've reflashed a couple for other people, and both of those turned out not to be the problem. But this one, I diagnosed it as a failed body control module. I was getting no comm from it. I went in, I unplugged the body control module. I used my test light to check all the powers and grounds. It only has class 2, so I checked class 2 in my scope, and I had a signal on that wire. And so I told him I think it's a bad body control module. There's a chance that something else is shorting out the body control module and killing it. But it's been my experience, it'll still communicate on class 2, even when stuff's shorted out. They got another body control module, used one for it, put it in there, and the car still wouldn't start, but the instrument cluster and everything started working correctly again. I plugged into it with the Tech to Win. I had communications. I could see the body control module. It wouldn't let me change the VIN number in it. It said it was locked. So I did the vehicle theft deterrent relearn, because from what I was reading, it has to relearn to learn the VIN number of the BCM to know that it's okay to start the car. I did that. It loaded an update to it or whatever. It reflashed it. It did its thing. It took 10 minutes, and boom, the car starts. I'm out of there, and I got my money, and I'm done. So, again, I make money using these scan tools and stuff, and I'm in and out quick, and I'll work on the old rusty crusty stuff. It doesn't matter. As long as I'm getting paid, I'll get it done. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. It's time to Frugal Prepper.